सुन मेरी गल सारा देवी तो पाई मेरे अजकल चीजें में कुछ चीजें कम नहीं जा रही हाँ एडवांस एग्रीकल्चर मीटिंग
So guys, we are walking towards the Scandal Point. Please excuse my huffing and puffing. I'm climbing the stairs from nearly old bus stand, so I'm a little bit tired, but not tired, but little bit just out of oxygen because we are on a really good hike. That's the Devi of Shimla, on which the name of the city has been placed. And right now we are walking towards the banks, and that's in between is a Scandal Point. It's a famous point when the Britishers were here. Right, the banks are not open yet. I don't know why. It's already 9. To be exact, it's 9:17, so they should be open. And now we are moving towards the church. Let me just show you around how the renovation and everything is going on for the mall, Shimla Mall Road. And then we can, I think so, I can end this vlog peacefully. Also, I know I do need a mic. Let's have a view, eagle eye view of Shimla from here, so you can enjoy the scenery of Shimla and the cold air. Wow, the air is so good. I was about to fall. Oh my god, monkeys are here. Now I'm scared to vlog because I don't want them to snatch my camera. Wow, benches with good prints and all. Nice. I can see a joker over here, and then we have something else over there. Right now we are moving towards the ridge trail. We do need to walk a lot in Shimla. Yes, that's something we need to do in Shimla. And over down there's again the mall road, and this is the newly constructed area. Let me just show you the view from here as well, because it's looking very pretty, right? And then I don't know why people keep coming in front of my video. It's a very big area now. The government has extended the mall over there to the side because of the high crowd. And that's a very famous restaurant known as the Gufa. It's very pretty. Also, the food is quite nice. This is the newly extended portion, like leaving the drain out. If I cross this drain, then I'm on this newly extended portion, right? And let me again show you the view. Oh my god, so pretty. Even the sky and everything. Wow. Coming back to the Gufa, the Gayatri Theatre. This is the theatre where all the famous plays and meetings and everything used to happen. And still now happens. A lot of nice shows. Some nice folk Himachali singers, very famous ones, do come here. And going back towards the ridge, you can see the ridge has been painted yellow now. It's painted yellow from past 20 years, but earlier it was really beautiful with the stone and everything. It looked like something, you know, colonial type. But we do have a old ridge downstairs, so old church downstairs as well, that's kept preserved like it was before. So it's beautiful. Maybe I'll show you, maybe I won't, because I do have some work. I'm meeting with the education minister today for some personal work. I need to close down. Okay, I'm not telling you guys what I'm gonna do after the appointment, but yeah, I need to go to Summer Hill now. I'm just came here to show you the place. That's former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Can you see? And then there are some fountains and a very pretty place. So bye bye church, and let's walk towards the summer hill now. Bye guys.